Oh, there, that's right. I did get 13,000. How was I hacking?
Why we try to win? You weren't. And this is the game where for some reason I can't win it. And it's very loud, so I'm going to turn it down.
And I have like the highest score of everybody.
My score is 7,665.
My highest score is 13,000. Yours not.
How many keys do I have? That's my
Yours?
My score?
My score is 13,000. Wait, what is it? No, what is my score again?
Weekly hunt.
No, what's my score again? I can't remember.
13,000 something.
13,400. No, 13,347.
Alright guys, so we are tricky once again because he's my favorite character in this game.
I need to get Trixie though.
Yeah, and Fresh, I like him, but I still think
plus,
Trixie's cool.
I need to get the ninja.
And her camo outfit, oh man. Use the
Her camo outfit's my favorite.
You gotta be here.
Yeah, remember when I saved up all of that just for that one?
Would you rather have White Ninja or Tricky and her camo?
Tricky and her camo.
Honestly, I like White Ninja. That's like my second favorite character.
My first favorite
I could probably tie them up.
My first favorite character is the Ninja.
I like the Ninja, but his white attire is my favorite attire. Oh, I hit my face on the sign.
Oh, that's not even fair, bro.
Not because the other tire is black. The other tire. How did I die? Oh.
It goes to coffee.
Hey, Grandpa.
I feel like that.
Our stepmom was on the news.
Oh yeah. I actually forgot about that. We watched it like a few minutes ago. Not even 7 o'clock
in the morning.
We watched it at 6.
What are we doing with our time?
Playing a video game.
And I'm making videos on Mobizen.
Sponsored by Mobizen.
Not really though.
Are you doing a sponsorship video?
No, bro. You think I can get them to sponsor me?
Yeah, I mean, if you play with one of their famous games, I mean,
they don't have any famous games. They made a screen recorder.
I know, and this is one of our famous games.
I just made my score ×3, so whatever my run is, it's going down by 3.
That sucks.
I mean, it's going up by 3, and I'm beating that score by 3.
That's probably my
by ×3 now, so.
Whee! Now I lost it.
Gotta make sure if I jump the right way. Oh yeah, that's why you gotta make sure you get up. And there was the H! The Triple H! Alright, I gotta beat this. Easy money. This is all easy money, yo. Wait, can I hit the front flip? Yeah, sometimes you'll jump and front flip, sometimes you won't. I guess that's what I think every character does that, right?
Whoa,
sometimes they'll jump.
I'm such an idiot.
Yeah.
Nope.
Nope, they don't want none. Nope, he don't want none.
I don't want to eat none. I don't want to eat none.
Hey, I got a achievement.
Pancakes are not the good.
Yes, they are. You just good. I don't know what I'm even saying.
Okay. Oh, you want to say something? Hi. Boom! And they get the jetty.
Support, what's up? Alright, now I'm being get ×2 again. ×6, actually. Got it. Yes! Oh my god, I flew right through a bus. What just happened? I just flew right through a bus.
I just hit my face.
Achievement.
Now I'm dead.
I might have a higher score than you, Caleb, at the end of this. Actually,
please don't.
Oh my god! I just smacked myself against the wall. No! Oh my god, he went away and then jet down right back after me. Get the fat ball cup away from me. How does this game have 1 billion downloads?
Because people like this game. Do you like it?
I do. Oh nope, I beat my top score. Now I'm beating some random kid with his grandma. What the heck? Oh, I didn't beat his score. Look at his. It's like 2,000 something.
Nope, 20.
Is that
He
21?
beat my score by so much.
Money. Yay. I don't need $1,000.
I do. I need enough money I can
I
get.
have $5,000. I don't need that much.
I need the ninja,
I
which is
don't need the
20,000.
ninja, okay? It
Yeah.
would kind of be a waste of my money to get the ninja at this point. Actually, no, probably not.
It's 20,000.
I could spare a ninja.
You have 5,000, not 20,000.
Oh my god, my top run is 9,000 now. I have to beat my top run, which is 9,000.
This is hard.
This is more hard than getting a girlfriend for me, and that's hard for me.
It's kind of hard for me. Are you kidding
Yeah,
me?
Lacey liked you, so you know. That's a good thing. I will take that in as. I mean,
So how
Ryan
did it go with you and Ryan?
that's not even a thing. It's like a... She hates me.
You try to hit her, I know you said that before.
It was a joke.
Well.
Does
Does this game even have a...
She goes, I'm not gonna date till like I'm in middle school. And I was like, so then what are my chances? And she goes, oh my god, I hate you. What is this? Oh, that's 30? What a waste of money. Would you want this?
Sure. This, I want the last ninja. He looks cool.
Ooh, 7 to get Lucy. Look at that outfit.
Lacy.
Lucy Carroll.
I don't care.
And I can afford her second outfit too. And then it's 20,000.
Yep. 15.
And I can already afford her outfit. I don't like this outfit.
I love it.
I like this. Look at this. How much is Tagbot? 12,000. Okay. Tasha.
30,000.
Oh, and then Zoe. This is cool.
I like Zoe.
What about Brody? I don't like him. He looks too stupid.
Why is he cost so much money? Do you like that guy? Do you like the last guy, the witch guy?
The witch guy?
The witch. R-I-C-H.
He's cool.
Wait.
It's Fresh and stuff. Fresh is kind of cool.
Who's your favorite?
I hate Spike because he looks like a douche.
Who's your favorite?
You thought he? Why does she not have any other
I just got a super box. I got one. Oh my god, I'm so lucky.
I gotta go to my tour because, let me check.
I kind of want to kill myself, but I kind of don't because I want to get good scores, but I want to open the box.
Feel like 10.
10 Trixie hats. $10,000 billion with a Trixie hat.
They're booing Obama? Oh, I really hate you.
But Obama's nice. I like Obama. Obama's cool. I'm Obama.
I'm a president of the United States.
What kind of accent is that? I'm President Obama.
I am President Obama.
And
I am the first African American president. I became president off of my charm and my epic kills. Get wrecked all the people I was.
Hey Noah, do you believe me now? Look.
I know, I see it. It's like
A key.
well, I actually got a mystery box.
One key. One key out of a box. Are you
Oh my god, I really did not make that. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh
What
yeah.
just happened?
I don't even know. You got
What just happened? I got a key.
out of a gold
What
box.
if I get another super box and I get like $10 million?
If you guys want to see what Caleb's doing, I don't know. Maybe he should download Mobizen. I can jump over
I
trains.
don't need to know it no more.
No!
I don't need a box.
I missed a tire! And I died.
Why is it big?
I got a beatbox.
Why is... Oh yeah, for that
I'm
guy.
gonna get two beatboxes.
Why do we sponsoring race cars? And
Because
not
we are.
horses. And not horses.
I'm gonna, like, no, you guys don't have to watch this.
Or do they?
So we're back, and we've just got two refreshing beatboxes. We got two of them, 48 more, we get fresh. Tree is like my favorite character by far. I like her camo outfit. If I didn't already say that, I wish I could.
Yeah, you did.
Get away from me, fat man. I shall kill you. That didn't happen.
god, I died. I did good. Have you opened this? Please, I got money.
This moment alone is called brand new money.
When I need a Trixie hat, I get money.
Whoa, you got wrecked, bro. Oh my god, I almost hit my face on that. You dead. How are you still alive? I didn't see you hopping over a train, so. Yay.
Wait, can we actually? Logan Paul. No, do you think Logan Paul edited in him jumping over that car, over that little like car? If you could jump a bullet, you could jump a car, whatever, something like that.
No, I don't think it was like that.
You think he actually jumped?
Yeah, because it's not really like it would have to be like everyone would call him out. The way they were edited. I should have 11 of these, but I really don't.
Why did it fall? For no reason.
But I had to time those jumps perfectly. I'm on fleek with them jumping skills. Yay! I'm not even done with my score yet. Oh, I just jumped off of one of those things. Yo.
Why is the pop?
Because he doesn't want to die.
No way, he copies you and you
What is that?
mystery. Boom. Please be a Trixie hat. Just like, mystery. Can you please be a Trixie?
There's nowhere to go.
I hit him like I did. The train is coming.
I got a mystery box. It's more money.
You
know what? I'll take $1.
I think it's the final coin. 50.
And we're back. We're sitting at 1,000 points currently. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Okay, now she went pretty fast. Oh, okay.
Would you rather be Jake? What? How did that kill me?
Nope, I'd rather be Trixie.
It's tricky.
Holy. Flip, flip, flip. I like how they just carry the magnet. Wait, what do we forget if we collect all these tires?
I think you'll get like a mystery box or something. Or like money or something.
I need money.
I don't. It's like at like $6,000.
My finger's not even touching the screen, and I can feel the screen. Yep, it's weird. I had nowhere to go, man.
Go.
And the cops
yes! Got him, coach. Yay.
How are they still alive? No, how are they still alive when they get hit by a train?
They're just magical.
Nice flip you did.
Are you sure you'd rather be Tricky?
Yeah.
She seems to be screwing you up, bro.
I don't care.
I always win. Oh no! How did? Oh wow! Oh my god!
Oh, why didn't you jump, you dumb, ugly-looking piece of crap? Oh no!